I'm about to show y'all one of the coolest things ever. So if you like Animal Crossing and you like Amiibos, keep on watching. Alright, first thing you need to do is purchase one of these. It's called Power Saves Portal. It comes with one of these little power tags, okay? You need to purchase one of those first off. Okay, the second thing that you need to do is download the software for the Power Saves Portal. I literally just went to Google, Googled Power Saves Portal software, found a download, downloaded it. Okay, I'm going to show you. It looks like this. This is what it looks like not plugged in. Okay, I got it plugged in now, so I'm going to put my little tag right there. You'll see it lights up. Okay, this is what it's telling me. I currently have the Lucky Amiibo, but also what you need to do is download a bin file of Amiibos. I literally just went to Google, looked up, I don't know, something along the lines of Animal Crossing, Amiibo, bin files, something along those lines. I ended up downloading, I think it was like 300 or 400 different characters. So yeah, I currently have Lucky on this Power Save tag, but I'm gonna get ready to change it because I already got him on my island. So here we go. And make sure when you download the Amiibo bin files that you put it in a very specific folder or it will not show up in this software. So anyways, once you do all that, you go to Power Tag, and then here it shows all of the different characters that I have downloaded. So let's see, it's not in any alphabetical order or anything, which is kind of annoying, but that's okay. Alright, so I'm picking DJKK. We're hitting confirm restore. That will make sure that Lucky is off of there. So saving the tag, bam. So now see here it says DJKK. Now hold up, I'm gonna show you on my Switch. Okay, so we're at the little Amiibo doohickey. Yes, I want to invite someone. Sorry y'all can't see that, and my hand is so shaky. Okay, so I have my power tag. Yeah, I am. My hand will stop shaking. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh, he's so cute! So yeah, anyways, I used this the other day. I invited Lucky to my campsite 3 days in a row. I crafted him 3 items, and then he ended up moving to my island, and I was able to get rid of Zell because I hate Zell. So anyways, yeah, that's how you get some Amiibos right there.